Hi, my name is Dan from Attention to Detail and Connecticut Truck and Van. Are you looking for a heavy-duty, all-season tonneau cover? Consider the BAKFlip MX4 from BAK Industries. This advanced tonneau cover allows you to keep your cargo secure while using your vehicle's locking tailgate, meaning no extra keys are required to access your cargo and eliminating extra lock cylinders that could potentially fill with dirt or ice. To open your tonneau cover, simply open your tailgate and reach underneath the lid of the tonneau and pull the release cable on either side. Fold the cover forward, and when you get to the first down position, you can use these buckles to strap it in to drive at highway speeds. Additionally, the BAKFlip MX4 can fold up for nearly full bed access. Reach underneath the front lip of the cover, fold it up against the cab, and you still have visibility of your third brake light. To keep the cover maintained like this, remove the prop rod from the track, slide the slide lock down, and twist it into place. And now you can drive with the tonneau cover open at highway speeds. The MX4 is going to be very easy to close with the weight of the cover automatically locking it into the rails. To close it, simply release the slide lock, put the pivot rod back into the clip on the rail, then close your cover. You'll notice as I close it, it locks into place. At this point, you do have the ability to close the cover and then close the tailgate, or you also have the ability, the cover's already open, to have the tailgate closed and close the cover. For more information about the BAKFlip MX4 and other tonneau covers that we have to offer, visit addittoit.com or stop by our showroom and speak to one of our sales representatives.